Hi, Adrian Shaw here from ABB Robotics, here at Australian Manufacturing Week 2025. Here we have IRB 1300 doing, mimicking pick and place applications. Also, we always have the Gopher 10 doing the same thing with a collaborative gripper. And over there on the Gopher 5, we have our welding application with our Easy Teach device and wizard programming. And I hope to see you soon.
Welcome to AML 3D's booth at the Australian Manufacturing Week in Melbourne 2025. AML 3D are here today offering information and services around what we offer with the software packages for our AML 3D technology to produce large-scale wire arc additive manufactured goods for aerospace, oil and gas, mining and other industry. And showing some of our goods here today is a large steam valve that we've produced of 620 kilos, made in 146 hours of welding production. Come and have a look. We look forward to meeting you here at Australian Manufacturing Week this week.
Hi, my name's Trinton Smith from Automation and Robotic Services. We are a preferred partner and supplier of ABB Robotics, and today we're exhibiting an ABB IRB 1660 with a servo robot laser vision camera, which is doing real-time tracking and path modification whilst welding. Yeah, so come and see us at stand RA 460 at AMW.
Hi, I'm Owen from Smenco. We're here at AMW 2025 showing off our ABB Gopher cobot, demonstrating a pick and place application using vision and a gripper. So the application recognises whereabouts the dice is on the board and then places it in the appropriate box according to the number that it's found. So come on down to the show. We're looking forward to seeing you.